How to coat a thin film battery using a slot die coater. Start by placing a piece of bleeding paper on the vacuum chuck to achieve a finer surface and to ensure a better adhesion of the slurry. Next, position the substrate on the vacuum chuck, ensuring it's properly aligned. Turn on the vacuum chuck to secure the substrate and remove air bubbles. Load the battery slurry into a syringe, ensuring it's free of clumps. Attach the fitting kit to the slot die head, ensuring a secure connection for the slurry flow. Connect the syringe to the pump, set the flow rate, and start the pump. Slowly fill the slot die head with slurry until it begins to exit from the die slot. Keep the head upside down to release trapped air. Once the slot die head is filled, carefully mount it onto the slot die coater. Set the temperature of the heated vacuum chuck to the required level for proper drying of the slurry and adjust the coating speed for desired film thickness and quality. Begin coating. Maintain consistent speed and slurry flow to ensure a uniform layer is applied across the substrate. Once the coating is applied, allow the film to dry. The thin film battery is ready for the next stages of the battery production process.